two identical capacitors, each of capacitance 5 microfarad and charged to potential 2 kilovolt and 1 kilovolt respectively. The negative ends are connected together. When the positive ends are also connected together, the loss of energy of the system is. So, there are two identical capacitors 5 microfarad each, then one is charged to 2 kilovolt, other is charged to 1 kilovolt. Their negative ends are connected together, positive ends are connected together, that means they are connected in parallel. Then when you connect them, what happens? There will be flow of charge from one to other, one at higher potential to one at lower potential until their potentials become equal. So, they arrive at common potential. During this, what is the loss of energy of the system? Remember, whenever it is a spontaneous process, it is always associated with loss of energy. So, options are 0, 160 joule, 1.25 joule, 5 joule. So, let us calculate the initial energy of the system. So, initial energy of the system Ui is equal to half C1 V1 square plus half C2 V2 square. So, C1 and C2 are same. So, I can take that common, half into C1 and C2 are 5 microfarad each. So, I can take 5 into 10 to the power minus 6. Then V1 square is 2 kilovolt, that is 2 into 10 to the power 3 whole square plus V2 is 1 kilovolt, 1 into 10 power 3 whole square. So, that will turn out to be 5 by 2 into 10 to the power minus 6 into, see, this will become 10 power 6, this will become 10 power 6, I will take it common, 10 to the power 6. 2 square is 4 plus 1 square is 1. So, this will become 5. So, this will be 10 power 6, 10 power minus 6 get cancelled. 5 5 is at 25, 25 by 2 is 12.5 joule. This is initial energy. So, this is before connecting them. Now, once they are connected, they arrive at common potential. Find common potential. So, once they are connected, common potential is V common is equal to C1 V1 plus C2 V2 divided by C1 plus C2. So, C1 is 5 microfarad, denominator also micro will be there, I will leave that. So, V1 is 2 into 10 power 3 plus 5 into 1 into 10 power 3 divided by 5 plus 5. So, what do you get? V common is equal to, this will be 10 plus 5, 15 into 10 power 3 divided by 10, that will be equal to 1.5 into 10 power 3 volt. So, this is common potential. So, now final energy UF is equal to, they are combined. So, effective capacitance is C1 plus C2, they are in parallel after all, into V common square. This will be half into 5 plus 5 is 10 microfarad, 10 power minus 6 into V common is 1.5 into 10 power 3 whole square. So, that turns out to be 5 into 10 power minus 6 into 1.5 square is 2.25 into 10 to the power 6. So, that turns out to be 2.25 into 5, it will be 11.25 joule. This is final energy. So, loss of energy should be equal to initial energy minus final energy, that is 12.5 minus 11.25, that is equal to 1.25 joule. This is the loss of energy. So, that is option C.